everyone, it's another bundle weekend at Tonic Studios, and we've got 6 amazing packs of craft perfect paper in different textures and colours. So let's find out what bundles are available this weekend. The holiday pack will include 5 pink chiffon mirror card, Caribbean Tide speciality paper, green leaf speciality card, gleaming nylon pearlescent card, and 10 sheets of marigold yellow classic card. This would usually RRP at $20.95, but is available at 30% off for you at $14.67. Your Deco Decadence pack includes 5 sheets of golden polka dot foil card, champagne fountain speciality paper, peacock feather speciality card, Welsh gold glitter card, and black velvet mirror card. And that's available at the price of $18.52, down from the usual price of $26.45. Your Silver Celebration Pack includes 5 sheets of chrome silver mirror card, steel tall speciality card, lunar silver pearlescent card, silver screen glitter card, and silver stripes foil card. And that's available for you at a price of $15.72, down from the usual $22.45. Your Cotton Candy Pack includes 10 sheets of Arctic Blue Classic card, 5 sheets of Iced Petals speciality paper, Barely Blush pearlescent card, Rose Gold Triangles foiled card, and Salmon Harlequin speciality card. And that's at the special price of $16.07, down from the usual price of $22.95. The Moroccan Nights pack contains 10 sheets of Navy Blue Classic card, 5 sheets of Yellow Bamboo speciality paper, Copper Mine mirror card, Rustic Dusk mirror card, and Copper Roses speciality card. And that would usually RRP at $20.95, but for you this weekend at 30% off, it's $14.67. And finally, your Rainbow Pearlescent pack contains 5 sheets of pearlescent card in Red Velvet, Cosmic Copper, Lemon Luster, Limelight, Fresh Mint, Blue Frost, Navy Dazzle, Diffused Violet, and Blushing Pink. And that would usually RRP at $26.91, but for the special price of 30% off this weekend, it's $18.84. So there we have it. Those are the bundles that are available this weekend, all at 30% off on the Tonic stores. So get them while you can, and until next week, see you soon.